I will demonstrate how to use a keyboard to control the car. We need to log into Raspberry Pi system by VNC. Open VNC. Click on the IP address we previously connected. If there is no connection for a long time, we need to check if the car and computer are on the same local area network. Connect Micro ROS Wi-Fi. Click to log into again. Press Ctrl+C to close this terminal. Input Exit to exit the Docker terminal. Now, I will show how to control car by keyboard. New Create 2 terminal. One of the terminals runs the command sh/start_agent_RPI5 sh. If this terminal just outputs 2 messages, it indicates that the Micro ROS control board didn't connect to the car. Press Reset button on Micro ROS control board. It will connect successfully. If this terminal outputs multiple messages, it indicates that the Micro ROS control board has been connected to the car. Then, we can run record Docker script file. Input command sh/ros2_humble sh. We need to run this script file in the root directory. If you run this command in another folder, there will be an error. Enter Docker. After entering, we can check the ROS nodes. We can see that this is a node corresponding to the car. If the handle control is not permanently turned off, you may also see a node corresponding to the handle. To avoid conflicts between handle control and keyboard control, please temporarily close the handle control process. Let we start keyboard control car process. Input command ROS2 run Yahboom car_control Yahboom_keyboard. When control car by keyboard, the mouse needs to hover over the terminal of the keyboard control command. We can control the car to forward through the I button. Button to control the car to backwards. We can use Ctrl+C to exit the terminal. Input Exit to exit the Docker terminal.